Ether has been struggling to break the $1,680 resistance since January 20th, and recent news flow has been mixed. Investors have been relieved that ETH has gained 33% year to date. However, negative news such as investigations into exchanges and senators requesting answers from a bank could give the bears more power. The Ethereum Foundation will launch the Zhejiang public testnet on February 1st, allowing for staked Ether withdrawal on a test environment. Looking at Ether derivatives data, traders have failed to reach the bullish 4% threshold. However, the current 3.5% premium indicates a moderate sentiment improvement. The delta skew is stabilized near 0%, which signals that Ether options traders are pricing similar upside and downside risks. If the macroeconomic environment allows, ETH derivatives point to a potential rally toward $1,800. This article provides a comprehensive overview of the current state of the Ether market, including the effect of recent news events and the sentiment of traders and market makers. It is clear that the Ether price has been struggling to break the $1,680 resistance, but there is some hope that it could reach $1,800 or higher by the end of February. The article also provides helpful insight into the behavior of traders in both the futures and options markets, demonstrating that they are generally holding a neutral sentiment. Bill Morgan, a crypto lawyer and digital asset enthusiast, reviewed Ripple's response to the SEC's Daubert challenge. He discovered inconsistencies in the SEC's arguments. He noted that the SEC changed its position on the viability of Ripple's cross-border remittance product. Ripple's expert refuted their assertions and showed that it was feasible. Additionally, the SEC argued that evidence from Ripple's expert regarding XRP not being a security under other legal or industry regimes was irrelevant, even though the SEC itself has regulatory authority over such frameworks. This comment from Bill Morgan provides an interesting insight into the current legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. It highlights the SEC's inconsistencies in their argument, as well as their alleged hypocrisy in adopting litigation positions that are not faithful to the law. Furthermore, it brings attention to the evidence provided by Ripple's expert, which suggests that XRP is not a security. This week's episode of Market Talks features Bud White, co-founder of Tacen. Tacen is a US-based software company developing compliance software for a well-regulated crypto space. Bud shares his background, what he is looking forward to in the crypto market this year, and how 2023 will differ from 2022. The discussion covers the catalyst for institutional investors to enter the crypto markets, as well as the regulation of centralized exchanges and DeFi. Additionally, it covers how to launch a non-fungible token project safely on OpenSea. Tune in to hear all of these insights and more, and to have your questions and comments answered. This episode of Market Talks provides an interesting insight into the crypto space with the special guest Bud White, who gives his opinion on topics such as the return of institutional investors, the future of centralized exchanges, and the best way to launch a non-fungible token project. It is definitely worth listening to for anyone who wants to learn more about the crypto space.